Hello students, today we will see improve your learning of the lesson air, winds and cyclones. See, first look at the fill in the blanks. Wind is moving air. Winds are generated due to uneven heating on the earth. Third one, near the earth's surface, hot air rises up whereas cool air comes down. Fourth one, air moves from a region of high pressure to a region of low pressure. Next, fifth question. Suggest two methods to find out wind direction at a given place. First one is by observing the movement of banners, they will be moving depending upon the direction of the wind. Next, by observing the movement of plants, the leaves and the branches, they move when the wind is moving. Along with the wind, even the leaves are moving. Next one is by observing the flying of kites, by observing the paper or dust flying in air, by observing the movement of flags on the buildings. So by this way we can tell the direction of the wind. Next, moving on to next question. State two experiences that make you think that air exerts pressure. So here we use hand pumps to draw water from bore wells. Air exerts pressure inside the pump to bring water up. Next one. A tractor uses hydraulic pump which works on the air pressure to unload the contents. Next, when the wind is blowing speedily, we cannot go on a cycle opposite to wind because wind exerts pressure. Next question. While constructing a house, where do we construct ventilators and why? See, the people living in the house release warm air in the breathing process, and cooking, heating and other activities in the house heat the air inside the room. When the air is hot, it becomes light in weight, hence it rises up. To let the hot air to go out, ventilators are kept in the top portion of wall inside a room, that is just below the roof. Next question. Explain why holes are made in banners and hoardings hanging in the open. See, air exerts pressure on each object. If banners are hanged open in the air, due to pressure of air, they will be teared off. If holes are kept in them, air passes through them and the banners or hoardings will be hanging without any damage. Next question. How will you help your neighbors in case cyclone approaches your village or town? So, helping the neighbors in case cyclone approaches the village or town by giving precautionary measures to be taken in the time of cyclone to the neighbors and helping them to bring any needed medicines or provisions, etc. and switching off the electrical mains in the house, provision of safe place for domestic animals, helping them to get their belongings to safe place and suggesting them to store necessary goods. You can add any number of helpful things that you do to your neighbors in case of cyclones. Next, moving on to next question. 10th one. In the daytime, when we go to the sea, the air blows towards us and does not go towards the sea. Explain. When the heated air rises up, it creates low pressure. Hence, winds from high pressure belts blow to the low pressure. Due to uneven heating of land and water, by the sun leads to land and sea breeze. In the daytime, the land heats up faster than the sea, so warm air rises over the land. As a result, a low pressure region is created on land and a sea breeze blows towards the land from the sea, where there is high pressure region. Next question. Here are certain statements given. We have to say whether they are true or false. In winter, the winds flow from the land to the ocean. Yes, this is true statement or correct. The winds will flow from land to the ocean during winter. And in summer, the winds flow from the land to the ocean. This is a false statement. Next, third one. A cyclone is formed by a very high pressure system with a very high speed winds revolving around it. This is also true statement. Next, the coastline of India is not vulnerable to cyclones. This is false because the coastline area is vulnerable to cyclones. So, this is the last question, and the other questions which you can see in the textbook, they are the activities which you can do on your own. See, these are the some of the activities they have given. You can perform it and record the result. Okay, children?